The mystery of raw chicken eggshells. What they look like under a microscope will surprise you. Opening. The challenge of the ordinary egg. Have you ever looked at a raw chicken egg and wondered, why is it so dark? Or perhaps you've wondered what happens when we look at the eggshell under a microscope. We're going to dissect the secrets of a raw chicken eggshell down to its molecular level. And we'll find blood, strange webs, a kind of plastic, and a silver-like coating. Are all of these signs of a spoiled egg? Or are they a sign of nature's perfection? I challenge you to stay focused until the end. Part 1. Why is it dark brown? Why are raw free-range chicken eggshells generally dark brown or dark brown? The answer lies in the chicken's blood. Don't imagine fresh blood. Chickens produce a pigment called protoporphyrin 9. It's a member of the heme family, the same compound that makes our blood red. This pigment is released by glands in the chicken's oviduct during the final stages of eggshell formation. Why is it dark? Because chickens tend to produce more pigment than white-laying breeds. The older the chicken, the more its color can fade. But dark indicates high protoporphyrin levels. This isn't a bad sign. It's actually proof that the egg is natural. Part 2. Red spot on the microscope, blood or not. Take a look at the video at the beginning of the 10th second. There are small red spots scattered irregularly. What are they? They are blood spots left behind during the egg formation process. How is that possible? Here's the story. In the chicken's ovary, there are millions of capillaries that supply nutrients to the yolk. Sometimes, when the egg follicle ruptures, a drop or two of blood flows into the oviduct. This blood then gets trapped between the layers of the shell when the brown pigment sticks. Part 3. Uneven color, light dark white. Under the microscope, the eggshell color is uneven. Some are dark brown, others light brown, and even some areas appear almost whitish. Why? This is all due to an imperfect pigment layering process. Imagine spraying paint onto a wall from a close distance, but your hand is slightly shaky. The result will be thick and thin areas. It's exactly the same here. The protoporphyrin pigment layer doesn't always cover the entire surface of the calcium carbonate, the natural white color of the shell. So, in areas with thin pigment, a light brown color appears, and in areas without pigment, white appears. Part 4. The sticky thin white plastic. After carefully peeling off the hard shell, it turns out that inside there is a thin, bright white plastic-like layer. Sticky and chewy, what is it? It's called the eggshell membrane. What is its function? The egg membrane has two layers. An outer membrane that adheres to the shell, and an inner membrane that encloses the egg white. Both work like a double gate that keeps bacteria and fungi from entering. At the same time, it still allows oxygen to enter and carbon dioxide to escape, so that the embryo can breathe if the egg is fertilized. Part 5. The membrane turns to silver and gray. When a microscope beam is shown onto the egg membrane, which was once bright white, it turns shiny silver in some places and dark gray in others. What's going on? Is this contamination? No, it's the result of the extremely dense structure of the collagen fibers. These collagen fibers are arranged in crisscrossing layers. When light passes through them, it reflects at specific wavelengths. The denser areas reflect light like metal silver, while the looser areas absorb more light gray. So, the two colors aren't a sign of damage. Part 6. Irregular networks. When the inner membrane is separated from the egg white and examined under a stereo microscope, a giant, irregularly shaped web-like structure is visible. Some oval, triangular, elongated, and interconnected. What is it? It's a network of collagen fibers types I, 4, and V that form a three-dimensional weave. The irregular shape is due to the biological process of its formation, without the use of a mold. What is its function? This web serves as a mechanical framework that prevents the egg from breaking when shaken. This web also acts as a molecular filter, allowing only small molecules, such as water and gases, to pass through, but blocking larger bacteria. This is remarkable. Without this irregular web, an egg would rot within hours because bacteria could enter through the pores in the shell. Part 7. Overall function of raw chicken eggshells. What are the functions of all the parts of a raw chicken eggshell? First, the cuticle, outermost layer, a super thin waxy coating that protects against water and bacteria. If it's missing, the egg dries out quickly. Second, the hard shell, calcium carbonate, which provides structural strength. The brown color from the protoporphyrin pigment is simply an additional protective paint from UV rays. Third, the outer and inner membranes, white plastic, which provide a physical and chemical barrier against microbes and also a site for gas exchange. Fourth, the irregular collagen network, which provides elasticity and functions as a molecular filter. Overall, the eggshell is more than just a lump of calcium. It's an ingenious, multi-layered defense system, the result of tens of millions of years of evolution. Every red spot, uneven color, and silver fiber is evidence that the egg is alive, biologically, even if it's not fertilized. Closing. Crazy, right? From just an egg, we can learn about biology, materials science, and even natural defense architecture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. The next video will be even weirder than this one. See you in the next microscope video.